everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine and welcome to Stylisha. Yes, you have heard right. My channel's name became Stylisha from Style Diaries with Shalu. I hope you are liking my new name, and it's been a long time I have made my last video because I was busy for my home renovation. So today I'm again here after a long time. So I hope you're gonna like my video, and you already know what video I'm going to create, what look I'm going to create from the title of the video. I know you all are very excited for this look, so without wasting any more time, let's get started. To start the very beautiful and elegant bulbul look, I'm taking this Dabur Gulabari Rose Water to clean my face. After applying toner, I'm taking this Urban Botanics moisturizer, and this is a very good moisturizer for oily to normal skin. Make sure you always moisturize your skin very well before you apply makeup. I'm done with my moisturizer. Now I'm taking this L18 lipstick, orange color, to correct my dark areas. Just have to dab it on the places where you have dark spots. So this is how I color correct. After color correcting, I am taking my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128, and I am going to dot it all over my skin. Always apply foundation on your neck area or any area which is exposed. Now I'm taking this beauty blender to blend it out. Okay, so I'm done with my foundation. Now for concealer, I'm taking my Wet n Wild concealer. All the shades will be mentioned in the description box, so please check out that. So I'm done with my concealer. Now I'm taking this Miss Claire 3-in-1 palette, and from there I'm going to apply this highlighter powder to set my face. I'm also applying some of the powder on my neck area. Okay, so my base makeup is done. Now I'm taking the Maybelline Nudes Blush palette for my eye look, and from there I'm taking this color for my eyes, because you know how light kind of eye makeup she had. So I'm going to apply it This is how I applied. I hope you can find very slight difference. Okay, now I'm going to do the same on the other eye. Now I'm going to take this Lakme black kajal and draw my eye. I'm gonna be creating a very thin line, and after that I'm going to smudge it off. Now I'm taking this small brush to smudge off. And here it is. Now I'm going to do the same thing in my lower waterline. So I'm taking again the same kajal and applying it on my lower waterline. And with the same brush, I'm smudging it off. So my eye makeup is done. Now I'm taking a pencil in the shade dark brown and I'm going to fill in my eyebrows with it. So this eyebrow is done. I'm going to do the same thing with my other eyebrow. So my eyebrows are done. Now I'm taking Biotic Bio Almond Lip Balm and moisturizing my lips. I'm taking my Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara and gonna apply it very lightly. After applying my mascara, my eye look is done. Now I'm going to take the same Miss Claire palette and from there I'm taking this contouring powder. Now I'm taking the same highlighting powder on my finger. I'm going to highlight my bridge of nose. Okay, so my contouring is done. Now from the same palette I am taking this blush and I'm going to apply very lightly. Now I'm taking Lakme Face Sheer to highlight my face. Yeah, so I'm done with my highlighting. Now the final thing is my lips, and in the picture we have seen she had very nude lips, almost nothing on her lips. So for lips I'm taking this MN True Lips lip liner in the shade 60, and it's a light pink color. I think it's a bit pink, so I'm going to mix this color from MN True Lips in the shade 051. Yeah, so I'm done with my lipstick. Now I'm taking this MAC Ruby Woo to draw the bindi she had. Okay, so now let me show you my final look. Hey guys, so this is my final look. You can see I have put knot over here and put all the jewelry. So I hope you have liked the video. If you like my look, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.